Hello everyone, I am Arshita and I am currently a third year BCom student at Kirodimal College, Delhi University, and recently I got placed at Deloitte QSI for the role of Audit and Assurance. So in this video I am going to share the kind of GD topics that were asked in Deloitte. Honestly, GD is the one round जहाँ बहुत लोग eliminate हो जाते हैं, not because they don't know things, but because they don't know how to speak. So first, let me tell you how the GD actually is. So basically, you'll be in a group of around 7 to 8 people, and you'll be given a topic, and you'll be having 1 to 2 minutes to think, and then the discussion start. Also, I want to clear one very common thing. A lot of YouTube video will tell you that you should be the first person who should speak, or you should always try to open the discussion. But according to my personal experience, that really doesn't matter. I would strongly suggest that firstly you should take a minute, jot down your thoughts, and structure what you want to say, because many times you'll be under pressure to start first and you might fumble or make some mistake. So it's better to take some time and then start speaking, but also at the same time don't stay quiet for a long time. That also give a very bad impression. Now coming to the most important part, that what kind of topics actually show up. So basically in companies like Deloitte, the topics are not very technical or very tough. They usually give topics that are very common and that every person is aware of, so that they can contribute and they can actually put their thoughts to the discussion. So you don't need very deep knowledge, but you just need to know the basics of what's happening around. Some common type of topics that do show up in GD rounds are the impact of AI on jobs, work from home versus work from office, social media more harmful or beneficial, India's economic growth, and some topics related to current affair. So in my GD round, the topic was India-US trade war, and generally you do not need to know the every single detail. You just need to know the basics around this topic. For example, I was aware how countries trade, what was the impact of this trade war on the economy, and some general points. So around this, I presented my thoughts and then we had a discussion. You need to explain your thoughts in a very simple language. You just need to have a conversation while discussing. Also, you need to listen to what others are saying and then add up your points. For example, if someone says about economic growth, then you should add your perspective to it and add some points that you think are relevant. It will help you to stand out and it will show that yeah, you are really contributing to that discussion. Even if you speak for just 2-3 times but your points are clear and connected, that's more than enough. Now one most important thing if you are preparing for Deloitte. So basically Deloitte regularly posts some articles and insights on their website. So you can just go through that. They write about things like economic trends. So what you can do is just go through their website and especially the insight section and read some few recent articles. So you'll get a gist of what kind of topics may show up in your GD round. You don't need to read those articles in detail. Just understand a basic idea around it. Even if you spend just 10 to 15 minutes reading those articles, you will get better points. Also, one more point. Companies like Deloitte are not just looking for a person who can speak, but they are looking for someone who listens, because they need to put you in a team and they want to test you that are you a team player or not. So if you are someone who listens properly, understand what others are saying and then responds calmly, that gives a very strong impression, because in real work also you'll be working with different clients, different people and teams. So don't just focus on what you want to say, focus on the discussion as a whole. Listen, understand, and then add value. So that was my experience and advice for the GD round. If this video helped you, do subscribe, and if you want me to cover some specific topic, then do let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, all the best and bye bye.